sounds beautiful! That sounds fucking awesome! I approve wholeheartedly of that. That sounds good.
Almost tempted to just leave it like that.
That sounds good. You wanted deep. You wanted a deep noise. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm awkwardly filming Austin. No, today Davis and them are working on the Bonneville. We are over here at the barn fixing all of the F-bodies. The Camaro got yeeted by a puddle and has been having issues with cylinder 1, so we just got done tracking that down. Pretty sure it's the coil. We're about to try a different one, see if that fixes it, and then we'll go buy a new coil. The Trans Am blew another fucking tranny line. Again, we're gonna hopefully permanently fix that goddamn issue and be done with that. And the black Trans Am is getting a Hooker BlackHeart True Dual catback exhaust. So it's the only one that's actually doing what it's supposed to do and is actually getting an upgrade. Everything else is getting maintenance. So that's where we are currently, and yeah, we'll go from there. Maybe see if I can set you guys up so you can watch us change out the fucking coil. Got a little plastic pin there, so push up, like put it back into place.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And then, yeah,
I see what you mean.
Now it'll let go.
Mine don't have that. There we go.
Alrighty, just set that one off the side so we don't mistake it.
Kind of sort of set into place at least. Okay.
Alright, let's see how she acts now. Make sure everything's secure, not going to fall off there. Hello there, Chris. We have stolen a piece of the Trans Am for you. The coil. It was your coil. So when I go to the hardware store, I'll see if I can buy you a coil. You can just pay me back. Yeah, no, that was the problem. That's all she needed. So yeah, it just needed a coil, guys. We also tried the plug and the wire first, just to eliminate things, and afterwards we pulled the wire and it still didn't run right. Yep, there it is. There's the code. See what she says.
Random misfire. Multiple cylinder misfire.
So we're gonna need to check your other spark plugs, most likely. Well, we still have issues. We will return after more diagnosing. Alright guys, so we've determined Chris's car needs more ignition stuff, and we're back in the Trans Am in here, the black one, for the exhaust. Yeah, just tuck it over toward this wall over here, that way you're not up against this shit. What? Well, watch me from that mirror then, so I can see your face in that mirror. There you go, come back like that. Alright, now bring it in the other way. And straight back. Keep it coming, keep it coming. Let's see. Yeah, that should give us plenty of access. Yeah. Fumes.
Like them bees there, boy.
Y'all, already. So, we're gonna go run all over the fucking place and be back.
Yeah, and then let this thing cool down, and then do an exhaust.
Alright everyone, we're back. We took a break. We went and got shit from the store that we needed. We're gonna start on Austin's car because it's dark outside. We don't have enough light to work on mine out on the concrete pad in front. So we're gonna get this stupid fucking exhaust done, and we're gonna do my car, and then we'll probably call it a night. Winky bird. Just set you guys here for now.
The other thing is this is 2.5 inch, so it shouldn't be quite as hard to fit as yours was. Yeah, pick it up to mean that all this stuff gets put back in my car. Got this.
Noise.
Huh?
Noise. Punches through the floorboard.
No, it's not on there.
Yeah, once you get up in the air, we'll probably go up to the garage and grab the good jack stands. And here we can see one idiot working in his natural environment.
One idiot not getting any help doing things.
Well, how am I supposed to help you jack up a car?
I don't know, man. Jack said it.
You're the fucking idiot, though. You're out here in the cold and shorts. Alright, well, we'll come back when we're actually doing something interesting and not putting the car on stands. Alright, guys, I'm flipping you upside down for a second. This might be disorientating. It might not.
Okay, we're good. What'd I put?
Where did you put what?
There it is. That.
Do the thing. Remove the stoof.
Yeah.
Stop being a pussy.
You say that, but you see the angle I have?
I see that you're on a crawler, which takes away from your leverage immensely.
I don't need leverage.
Brute strength.
Snaps the bolt off wall.
That would suck.
I would get a sawzall. Or a cut wheel.
Handsaw?
Sure, if I had to. If that's what you got.
You're better than knitting.
I'm telling you one thing, I'm not putting this fucking exhaust back up.
Oh, come on, why not?
Low power.
I need good sounds.
Did you say low power?
I think it did. I think it said low power.
Well, luckily I brung the backup battery. But since we're low power, we'll come back when we actually, I don't know, start removing this thing. Or once it's removed.
Whichever.
Or at some point, or something interesting happens. Like Austin getting hit in the head with a transmission.
Yeah.
That's happened before. But yeah, we will return eventually. Possibly. Maybe we'll just leave and go sleep. Who knows? Hello, welcome back, Jake Pollers. And
What's going on, Jake Pollers?
you can get the fuck out of here. That's enough of that shit. We're gonna do you an open manifold and cat start. Kind of weird, but we're curious as to how it sounds.
Yeah,
So.
never been done before.
Yeah, never.
She sounds beautiful! That sounds fucking awesome!
I don't want to get too hot.
I approve wholeheartedly of that. That sounds good.
Almost tempted to just leave it like that.
That sounds good. You wanted deep. You wanted a deep noise.
You'd be there.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go back to chopping the rest of the exhaust off.
And we'll show you when it's done.
Yeah, pretty much that.
Yeah, we'll do another start.
See you guys later.
Yeet. Alright, ladies, gentlemen, we have removed the exhaust from the cat's back.
Yes,
This
from the cat's back.
is the humongous fucking muffler that comes on a Trans Am stock. Here's my foot for reference.
It's too big.
It's way too
much,
big.
Too much mouth.
Way too much fucking muffle. No, we're gonna hang all this stuffs. Which I'm probably not gonna make you watch all of that either, because that's gonna take us a minute. Brandon?
Subscribe for more tips and tricks.
Yes, there we go. Alright. So we've got front part of the exhaust mocked up and partially hung. We're currently about to put in the pan hard bar spacer so we can get up and over the axle tubes. Austin's about to do that. Roll around, do some shit. But, yeah.
Hey, go figure. It's a 15.
What's new?
Man. Patrick, it's a 15 or a 10. Don't even ask any questions. It's a 15 or a 10.
Honestly, though.
I guess you should ask one question. Is it big or small? Big bolt, Patrick? 15.
Is it big or small? That's what she said. Camera, give me my screen back. I can't see what the fuck I'm looking at.
Regards, look at this.
Pussy.
My little short wrench. What's the saying? Something about them being as tight as a virgin hooker?
What the? I like all the hooker references you're making with your new exhaust.
Huh?
You keep making like hooker jokes, and then you have hooker exhaust.
What's funny though is I always make jokes like that. It just happens that coincidentally it happens to be a hooker exhaust. Of course, now if I tell it it's a filthy hooker, it's actually accurate.
I'm really curious as to how it's going to sound.
That's what I'm curious about, because the only videos I can find were
It was always like something cammed.
or an LS9 or something like that.
Yeah, like some other LS than an LS1.
I mean, I'm sure it'll sound really similar. It's just
Yeah.
it's gonna be different.
Yeah, I'm very curious to see like how it is compared to the Trans Am. Or my Trans Am.
Wider, but probably deeper. That's my thought anyway.
Yeah, I could believe that, especially with the chambers on these things.
Yeah.
Like, they're a lot bigger than the bullet style mufflers I have. Like, they're still blow through, but yours actually have some chamber to them.
Yeah. Yeah, yours are almost a straight pipe straight through it.
Almost.
That's why when I started this thing up, I was just like, oh, Vence's Trans Am.
It sounded deeper, a little less. It sounded deeper, more like muscle car, and a little less like wild. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We did it. After much torment, much evil, much death, a random run to O'Reilly's because we're missing 2 parts. Yep, and yeah, but I don't know if you guys can see it too well under there, but there should be cat back, Hooker BlackHeart. We have not started it yet. We don't know how it's going to sound.
It's gonna sound amazing, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna die.
It sounds like raspy garbage.
I'd be so mad.
But yeah, we done did it. They're on there. It's done. We're going to fix my Trans Am. We're not going to show you that because I don't honestly feel like recording much more, and it's nothing new or interesting really. It's the same problem that's been there that we've tried to fix before. So, yeah.
Alright then. On to the next.
Like and subscribe and all that other good shit that Davis would probably tell you to do.
Instagram and whatnot.
Yeah, the Instagram
Does he have a Twitter?
things, potatoes, I don't fucking know. There's other stuff. Have a good time. Oh wait, why are we saying goodbye? We haven't started it for them. We have to start it.
I guess this is true, yeah.
We're stupid.
Yes, you do have to.
We're tired. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's some garbage right there.
Austin, are you ready for it to explode? Not quite what I was expecting.
Huh?
It's not what I was expecting, but it's a good sound. It'll be better with, it'll get louder with headers.
I'm not gonna do headers with turbos.
Okay, it'll sound weird with the turbos, but I'm curious to sound how it'll, or how it will sound at full throttle.
I would tell you, but it's cool right now.
Give her a tiny rev.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go for that.
Yeah, you can go ahead and shut her off.
I'll give it a little bit more than that on my way home.
What? What do you mean? We're gonna take her down and take her for a test drive. Make sure nothing falls off.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna push the other Trans Am in here.
It'll be warm by then too.
Yep. Alrighty. Yeah. What we said earlier, all that stuff about talking to you guys later. Subscribe. Do those things.
Trusty assault hammer.
Yeah. Trusty assault hammers. That kind of shit. 4th gens are great. Don't buy one.
What?
I said 4th gens are great. Don't buy one. They're really good until you have to work on them.
They're cheap is what they are.
Alright, guys.
Doing a lot of power is a really good way to get into it. But the working out sucks.
We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.